Good morning, it's Tuesday, March the 24th, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap TV, provided to you exclusively here on ChinaSecurities.com. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Chinese Small Cap TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases out of the Chinese sector in the AM so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got two great press releases lined up for you this morning, so without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called China Recycling Energy Corp. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CREG. The company is announcing fourth quarter 08 and full year results for the year ended December 31st, 2008. Highlights for the fourth quarter and full year are as follows. Fourth quarter 08 revenues grew 190% quarter over quarter to $12.3 million, up from $226,000 in the fourth quarter of 07. Gross profit was $3.1 million compared with $175,000 in the fourth quarter of 07 and $1.3 million in the third quarter of 08. GAAP net income was $2.3 million compared with a GAAP loss of $170,000 in the fourth quarter of 07, and GAAP net income was $732,000 in the third quarter of 08. For the full year 2008, revenues increased 106% year over year to $19.2 million, which is up from $9.3 million in 2007. We've also got guidance from the company for the year 2009. The company expects revenues for 2009 to be in the range of $33 to $36 million with net income of approximately $8 million. A little bit about China Recycling Energy Corp. They're based in China and provide environmentally friendly waste-to-energy technologies to recycle industrial byproducts for steel mills, cement factories, and coke plants in China. Chinese government has adopted policies to encourage the use of recycling technologies to optimize resource allocation and reduce pollution. Companies last at 22 cents, 52-week high of $1.90, low of 22 cents, and the market cap of approximately $8 million. Moving on to Yongye International, they trade on the bulletin board under the symbol YYIN. The company is reporting first quarter ending January 31st, 2009. We've got highlights from the operation for the first 3 months ended January 31st. Net sales for the 3 months ended January 31st were $6.5 million, which is an increase of 70% from the corresponding period in the prior year. And we've got gross profit for the 3 months of $4.5 million, which is an increase of 75% from the corresponding period in the prior year. As of January 31st, 2009, the company had cash and cash equivalents of approximately $1 million and working capital of approximately $3.4 million. A little bit about the company. They're a leading manufacturer and distributor of goat milk powder in China. The company's last at 40 cents, 52-week high of $3.60, low of 40 cents, and a market cap of approximately $10 million. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Please make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts coming out of the Chinese small cap sector.